Do you know that thousands of UX jobs are posted every single day on LinkedIn? And hundreds of UX designers apply for one single job. Only 5 to 10% of them are able to get to the interview round, but only one of them secures the job. What is the reason behind 95% of you failing to get a job? We'll discuss everything in this video. Hey designers, my name is Ankit. I am a self-taught UX designer and I create content on UX UI design. And in this video, we will discuss about why 95% of you are not able to get your desired job and what are the mistakes that you do while applying for jobs. So without any further ado, let's design. The first mistake, and the mistake that most of the beginner UX designers do, is having inadequate UX knowledge. Now, people do get into design thinking that it is easy, but it really is not. UX design is a lot more than just learning Figma. UX design include research, wireframing, sketching, your laws of UX, principle of UX design, factors affecting UX design. There are a lot of different topics that are involved in it. If you don't have the basic knowledge of UX design, you won't be able to crack the technical round itself. This is the mistake that most of the beginner UX designers do, that is considering UX design is just learning Figma. Now let's just talk about why your resume is not getting shortlisted. What recruiters do is they pass your resume through ATS. ATS is also known as Applicant Tracking System. Recruiters get hundreds of applications every single day, and they cannot go through each one of them, so they pass your resume through ATS, which rejects or approves your application on the basis of the job you are applying for. It matches your skill set and separate it out from other resumes. Now there are many reasons why your resume is not getting selected. It can be due to experience, education, your skill sets, and so on. What most of the beginner UX designer do is they make their resume in Photoshop or maybe some online template which export the resume in JPG form. Now ATS is not able to read images, so your resume is never going to get selected. The best way to make a resume is make it in Word and export it in PDF format. Don't just make your resume fancy, make it readable to the ATS software as well. A crucial part about your job application is creating a portfolio. Many of the beginner UX designers make it hard to access the portfolio for the recruiters, or they really don't have one. Now, I have said it before and I will say it again and again. You are not going to get hired unless you have a portfolio. Notion, Medium, a personal website, it doesn't matter what platform you use, you should be having a portfolio. The only thing that matters is it should be easy to access, easy to read and understand, and it shows your actual design skills. Now I am pretty sure that you have applied for hundreds of jobs and still you are not getting an interview. This can be a major reason that you are applying for the wrong job. Now I'm not saying that you have applied for a business role job and you are a UX designer, but what I'm saying is now you have applied for the job which doesn't match your skill sets. Before applying, read the full job description so that you should know what is the skill set that is required for the job and what is the years of experience they need. Now let's say I am applying for a job which requires 2 years of experience and I should be having adequate knowledge about interaction design. And I am a UX designer, but I am a fresher UX designer. So think to yourself, why will I be getting hired for a professional role if I am a fresher? Now, if you apply for 10 jobs, but those 10 jobs are matching your requirements and skill sets, then you can expect a call back from them. So always read the job description before you apply for the job. If you are a designer who designs apps and website with the same design trends every single day, then you might get stuck at one position. Design trends keep on changing and you should be updated with them. So understand what the future holds and prepare yourself and your skills according to it. Keep yourself updated with the latest design trends and keep evolving. Design is not a constant field. It is evolving every single year, and you should as well. And that is it for today's video. Remember the reasons and work on them. You can be a UX designer fast, just don't repeat the mistakes that I mentioned. And like the video if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and share it among your friends. And see you till next time.